LED masks are everywhere and they're not cheap, from a couple of £100 to several £1,000s. But are they worth the investment? And do they actually work, especially on skin over 50? I'm Bibi, a qualified facialist and skincare expert and a woman over 50. I'm going to give you my honest opinion on LED masks and the experience I've had using one regularly, which is this one from Current Body. It's their Series 1 LED mask and has been the only one that I've used consistently. But this is not going to be a video about the pros and cons of different brands and the different types of LED masks. I'm only going to be talking about this particular one and my personal experience of using it. Also, just to say that this video is not sponsored by Current Body or anybody else. I bought this myself a few years ago when I was in my early 50s. This one is red light only, and red light is all about skin rejuvenation and reducing the signs of aging by minimizing wrinkles, evening out skin tone and smoothing the skin texture. So let's start with the bulbs. Now, the more expensive the LED mask, the more bulbs it has, which will make it more effective. This one has 132 LEDs with the two most clinically recognised wavelengths for anti-aging benefits. So that's red light at 633 nanometers. You'll often see the nanometer or nm quoted, which is the length of the light wave. So the higher the number, the deeper it penetrates into the skin. 633 nanometers will boost collagen production, plumping the skin and smoothing lines and wrinkles. It also has near infrared light at 830 nanometers, so that goes slightly deeper, and that's going to energize cells for a firmer and tighter complexion. You will see dermatologists saying at-home devices are not effective and not to waste your money. But they're comparing at-home devices with the professional level ones that they use in their practices. At-home devices have hundreds of lights. Professional ones have thousands. So there's a big difference. But they also cost thousands of pounds. So no, they're not going to be as powerful, but that doesn't mean that they don't work. You just need to use them consistently because it will take longer to see results. It's like comparing tretinoin, which a dermatologist has to prescribe, with an over-the-counter retinol. Both vitamin A derivatives, but completely different strengths, different effectiveness, different results, different prices. But in both cases, over-the-counter retinol and at-home LED masks, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't use them. So, back to the Current Body one. They have recently launched a Series 2 of this and increased the number of LEDs from 132 in this one to 236 with 3 different types of infrared light. So red light at 633 and 830 like this one, but have added the deep near infrared at 1072 nanometers, which will target areas where signs of aging are more pronounced, boosting collagen production at a deeper level. I use this most days, probably 5 out of 7 days a week, and it's got an automatic timer, so it's only on for 10 minutes and turns off automatically. So it doesn't take very long at all, and it's quite nice to just lie down and do nothing for a short period of time. I use mine in the morning while still in bed. Not as soon as I wake up because the lights are quite bright, and after you've been asleep for a few hours, the lights can be a bit too much too soon. So I wait 5-10 minutes, put the radio on, have a cuddle with my dog, and then I'll put the mask on while I'm still in bed. I just find it's much easier at the beginning of the day when there's fewer distractions. It's then done and I can forget about it. Now, you can use products on your skin before putting the mask on, like a serum or an eye cream, but no actives like vitamin C or retinol. I personally don't, because I'm still in bed and I don't want to get up, start my skincare routine, go back to bed, put the mask on, then get up and finish my skincare routine. So I've never used products first. Now afterwards, my skin does feel a bit red, but that only lasts a few minutes. And then I'll go and do my skincare routine as normal. Now, when I first got this, I used it every day for 4 months. And I remember going into a meeting with people who hadn't seen me for those 4 months. And I had several comments about how good my skin looked, how it was brighter and it had a more even tone. Now, the only thing I had done differently since they'd seen me last was to use an LED mask. So for me personally, I found that using an LED mask regularly did make a difference to my skin. And I was 53, 54 then, but it does take several months. But it's only 10 minutes a day, so I think it's definitely worth the investment in money and time. You do have to use it consistently though. So if realistically you know that you're probably not going to do that, then don't buy one. Don't waste your money. Now, an LED mask is not going to be suitable for every skin type. I would say that my skin is not particularly sensitive or reactive, so I don't get any adverse reaction when using this. But if your skin is very sensitive with rosacea, or you have hyperpigmentation or melasma, I would always suggest you do your own research first. You know your skin, and then decide what's right for you. I think I've probably reached a plateau now with this and the benefits I'm seeing. So maybe I should look at buying a stronger one. But for now, I am going to continue using it. But if you decide you want to buy an LED mask, my 3 tips are: first, do your research. Understand what you're getting and why you're getting it and what results you expect to have. Then commit to using it regularly if you want to see results. Otherwise, don't bother buying one. And buy from a reputable company. This is really important. You don't want to risk some dodgy equipment just because it's a bargain and then find that perhaps it won't turn itself off or it overheats. These masks are put directly on your skin, near your eyes, and I wouldn't risk a cheap version just to save a bit of money. So reputable companies, reputable brands, always. I bought mine from Current Body directly from their website, but after about 2 years, suddenly all the lights went dim. They still came on, but were just really pale. And so I contacted Current Body and they replaced the mask immediately at no charge. I have to say that their customer service was excellent. So if you do decide you want to try this, Current Body is a company that I would recommend. So, do LED at-home masks work? Yes, and there is evidence to support that, but you have to use them consistently, and it takes time to see results. That could be weeks, it could be months. And do they work on skin over 50? Again, yes. I was 53 when I started to use this one, and there were noticeable improvements in my skin tone and condition that people commented on. I just wish I'd taken before and after photos so that I could document the difference, because you don't always see it when you're looking in the mirror every day. And will I continue to use an LED mask? Definitely. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like content that is aimed at women over 50 to help you rediscover glowing skin from a woman over 50 who totally understands the skincare concerns that we have at this age. Why not watch this video next? It's the product that has made the biggest difference to my skin in my 50s. I'll see you soon.